We have some special opportunities at Mizzou IMSE. Let me tell you about them. First off, you can get a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification as part of your undergraduate degree. All it's required is one extra course that you take, and that's a project course that pulls together material that's covered throughout the curriculum. Great opportunity. We have another certificate that's jointly done with a business school, where you can get a global supply chain management certificate. There's 9 required courses or credit hours. One's starting out with a management course, and then you can take your IE required, and then you do additional 6 hours from either management or industrial engineering courses. Great opportunity. Or you can do a BSIE MBA. It's a 5-year program. So you basically have about 1 semester worth of MBA credits that are waived, and then you can start taking MBA courses during your senior year. Some of those dual count to your BSIE. In your 5th year, you finish up the MBA. We also have a fast track BSIE, MSIE. And so you initiate undergraduate research in your senior year, and then you take courses that are graduate level, and in the 5th year, you finish up your master's degree. Great opportunities. If you have questions, contact me. Jim Noble, Director of Undergraduate Studies at Mizzou IMSE. Contact me at nobleJ@missouri.edu. I look forward to hearing from you.